bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin gan bàbá olóyin original. I'm living at Iyese Ota, bàbá olóyin bus stop, bàbá olóyin bus stop, Iyese Ota. Today, I want to teach you how you can use cassava leaves. How you can use cassava leaves for pregnant woman. There are some people, when their pregnancy is 3 months, it will come down. Sometimes, some people, when it is 4 months, it will come down. Sometimes, some people, when it is about 7 months, it will come down. They will say, Yale Okalo Semi. They will be saying, it is the neighbor that is warning them. Sometimes, it's not like that. I want to teach you how you can protect the pregnancy. Yes, our Yoruba people get ways of protecting pregnancy. I will teach you today. Don't forget, I'm the publisher of all these books. African Power, Honors in Medicine, Solution to Human Problems, Healing Power of Honey. The phone number is on the screen. Baba Oloyin Original is the program you are watching today. You are watching my channel, Baba Oloyin Original Television. The phone number is on the screen, 08054749455. Listen again, 08054749455. And you can get all these my books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. If you are in Nigeria, we can post the book to you. If you can pay, we can send the books to you through courier services. We are using a very good, fast, reliable courier services. They will deliver to you within 3 days. Yes. We used to go to courier office every Tuesday. So if you pay during the weekend, by Tuesday we post. If you're in Port Harcourt or Abuja, you get it the second day. If you're in a far place like Benin, Ekiti, Ondo, the third day you get your books. Yes. Don't forget to watch my other channel, King Show Television, and my son channel, Mr. Lastborn Comedy. Mr. Lastborn Comedy Adéwùsì. Help me watch that channel as well, because I used to feature there as well. And I used to feature at Baba Oloyin Original Television, Tantolong. So back to my point now. If you get pregnancy that's always getting down, you go to a bush, cassava place, cassava farm, where you see that they plant this cassava and the maize, or it's only cassava they planted there. You go there. When your pregnancy is 3 months, you can never see these leaves that get 2 arms. No. But when you go to farm, it's a proverb that God is telling us what He has in store for us. Once you're pregnant, your pregnancy is 3 months. You will go to farm, you will see the leaf of tree. Tolowo meta, you will get it. You will grind it with grade 1 pepper ata dosin. Then you cook it with a snail or catfish. Yoruba call it aseje, oje aseje niyen o. When your pregnancy is 4 months, when you go to farm, you will see the leaves of 4. You will see that I didn't separate anything from this one. This is how I cut it from the farm. When your pregnancy is 4 months, you do the same. You will, only one like this is all right. And the first one, when it is 3 months, only one of this is all right for you. You don't need to get plenty. So you will cook this one in form of aseje. You cook it. You first of all grind it with grade 1 pepper. Then you cook it with snail or catfish. When you cook these leaves, don't forget to add salt and palm oil, red palm oil, cooking oil, palm oil. Add it to this thing, red palm oil. You use grade 1 pepper, you grind this one with grade 1 pepper at adjusting. Then you add salt and palm oil. Salt and palm oil. You know when you cook anything like this, you need to add salt and palm oil to eat. You eat it. I mean for women, for who is carrying pregnancy. When your pregnancy is 5 months, see how many arms you see. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When it is 5 months, you do the same. When it is 6, when your pregnancy is 6, you will go and get the one of 6. So the one of 6, you will get it in the farm. You will get the 6, the one that gets 6 arms. You will see it in the farm. Yes, this is 6. 6. You will use the one of 6. When it is 7, this is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When it is 7 months, you will see it. You will see the one of 7. When your pregnancy is 7 months, you will go to farm to get the one of 7. There's no one for it. Once it is 7, you are saved. You are already saved by the special grace of God. I say, when you eat it, you will be all right. Yes. You are quite concussion. You eat it, you by the special grace of God. If your pregnancy always come down, it will not come down again. It will not come down again by the special grace of God. By the special grace of God. By the special grace of God. It will not come down again. It will not. Okay, this is the one of 6. This is one of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is one of 6. I was looking for it before. 6. When you go to farm, you see the one of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's for those who normally complain that my pregnancy is coming down after 3 months. Don't forget African Power Part 2 is coming on the way. By December before Christmas, African Power Part 2 will be released to market. So you can come to Baboloyin bus stop, Yesota, to buy your booze and honey. Honey is very scarce. That is why we are sending honey to those who have bought our books or who are ready to buy our books for the time being. When honey is available generally, I will tell you. If you go to Mushin, number 4 Alokola Street, Mushin, you will get our books and honey there. Number 4 Alokola Street, Mushin bus stop, Mushin. Go to Bariga, number 36 Ilaje Road. Number 36 Ilaje Road, Bariga. Atikotun, go to number 2 Femi Osobu Street. Number 2 Femi Osobu Street, Agodo Market. Number 2 Femi Osobu Street, Agodo Market. Very close to Egbe. When you reach Egbe, Sele Egbe, take Maruwa. Then you enter Maruwa that is going to Agodo Market. Drop at Agodo Market. House of number 2 Femi Osobu Street. Number 2 Femi Osobu Street, Agodo Market. My phone number is on the screen. The program you watch today is Baba Oloyin Original. Baba Oloyin Original Television is the program you are watching today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share among friends and relatives. Don't forget to watch my other channel, Kenny Show Television. Kenny Show, you see me there with many videos. Then you watch my sound channel, Mr. Last Born Comedy. Adewusi. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.